Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Good morning.
Good morning, Jackie. Who are absent today? Because this is the class 1 for here. Please send the name. Before we start our discussion, I have prepared a game. So this is the group 1 and this is the other team. Our game is a scrambled game. Sino nakatakot sa bird sa handaang points? Ma-raise lang ka hands. Parubana yun dyan. Okay, the first bird. What is the first bird? Correct. 1 point. The second. Correct. Good. Third. Raise your hand. Wrong. Okay. Next. Okay, correct. Point. Next. Correct. 2 points on. Ilan na ito kayo? Kalima. Next. Okay, very good. 3 points. Next. Very good. Correct. Next. Yes, correct. 1 point. Okay, next.
Music for you.
It's in the Korean correct. And what is this? A. Okay, correct. 6 points. What is this? Wrong. Okay, isa na. It's remaining arts. This person is okay, the winner is the group 1. Let's go to our learning objectives. So our lesson for today is about that distance formula. In your own mind, what is the distance formula? Or where can you use distance formula in your real life situation? Then na magamit ang distance formula sa real life situation like cell phones. Ano ginagamit sa cell phones? No. Nag-locate? Nag-locate? Location. GPS. Yes, very good. So now, this is our learning objective. First, please read, everyone. Everyone.
Write the distance formula. Find the distance between a pair of points on the coordinate plane.
Next,
application to real life.
So that is our learning objective. So these are the different terms of or the different terms associated with the rectangular partition A. Axes are the horizontal and vertical lines that form from the partition A. So what is the axis ng vertical and horizontal line? Ang axis, vertical, tagang, at ang horizontal and vertical. So ang x-axis is the horizontal. The horizontal number line that correspond to x-coordinate the partition A. So ang x-axis, kapanutan na horizontal. So ang y-axis naman is the vertical number line that correspond to the y-coordinate the partition A. So yan ang y-axis. Next is the coordinates of a point. Is the ordered pair xy that correspond to x and y values of a given point. So kung may given ka ng for example, 1 and 2, hanggang x, hanggang y, so this is what we call the coordinates. Next is the ordinate. So ang other word for the y-axis is ordinate. Call it the coordinates of a point. So ang agsisa na, mura kayo na agsisa. What is agsisa? And the last is quadrant. The four regions form the last axis. So this is the quadrant. This is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. First quadrant indicates the positive and positive. Next is negative and positive. The third quadrant, negative and negative. The fourth,
Positive and negative.
so ano ba na? Two axes? Two axes. Ano ba natin makita ang axes? So ang axis is ang y and the x. Did you get me? Are you following? Yes. So now let's proceed with the next. Please read coordinate geometry. Everyone.
Coordinate geometry teaches us the location of a point on a plane. For example, the coordinates of the point are x and y, where x coordinates denote the distance of a point from the y-axis and y coordinate denotes the distance of a point from the x-axis.
So, ang hinahamad ko, ang mudya ang coordinate. Ang mudya ang x, ang mudya ang y. So, this is coordinate. Next, the point of a partition A. It's a pair of numbers between points on a plane called the coordinates. The distance of a point from the y-axis is known as abscissa or x-coordinate, and the distance of a point from the x-axis is called coordinate or y-coordinate. So, ang point of a partition plane is a pair of numbers. Kunwari, 1 to 2 sa positive. Ang una ang x. Hindi ang 1 here. Ang 2. Ang y, hindi na nga nagpunta sa y. So, together na ang point. 1 and 2. Negative. At the end, negative 3 and 4. Sa negative side sa quadratic, kailangan pa. Negative 1, negative 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So, again, sa 3 ka, ano ang negative 3? What axis? The negative 3. X. Correct. Negative 3. Ang 4, what axis? Y. Okay, very good. So, i-derive sa danay ang distance formula kung diin ka na nagtalig. Distance formula is used to find the distance between 2 points in that lane. The Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, is based on a right triangle where a and b are the lengths of the lengths adjacent to the right angle and c is the length of the hypotenuse. So, this is the Pythagorean theorem, and this is the right triangle. What do we call A and B? The two legs. The two legs of the right triangle. And this is what we call the C is the hypotenuse. Please always remember the right triangle has two legs and the hypotenuse. So, sa A is you can see the absolute value of x of 2 minus x of y is equal to A. Ang B naman is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is the absolute value of y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So, ang x din ang yung so sa x lang kita na nga is eyes on the board, everyone. Are you ready? Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. So, the distance formula always produces a positive result because the difference is squared. So, c squared is equal to a squared ang yung formula ng Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. So, paano makatipid sa distance formula? So, C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Ano ba ni-call dyan sa B squared? Ang A dyan is the absolute value of x of 2 minus x of 1 squared that plus sign y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. C squared square root 1 is C ang square root na. So C is equal to the square root of x of 2 minus x of 1 plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So this is our distance formula. So, intindihan nyo lang kung din ang distance formula. Sa diyan ganet always remember that. Okay, let's go forward. Here is the given formula. Number 1, 5. The distance between the 2 points. A is 1, 2, and B is 2 and 2. So what is the formula of the distance? The distance formula. B is equal to the square root of x of 2 minus x of 1 squared plus
Y sub 2 minus Y sub 1.
Okay. So, what is the x here? X of 2. Where is the x of 2? Yes, very good. The x of 2 is here. Bigyan natin na x of 2. Hindi na x of 1 ta. Sa 1. Very good. Ang y sub 2? 2. And y sub 1?
2 minus.
Okay. X of 2 is equal to negative 2. Minus x of 1 is 1. Squared plus what is of 2? 2 minus 2. Squared. So b is equal to the square root of negative 2 minus negative 1. Negative 3 squared plus 0 squared. So b is equal to negative 3 squared. 9 plus 0. So b is equal to 9. What is the square root of 9? 3. So b is equal to 3 units. Okay, did you get me? Okay, another example, number 2. Find the distance between the 2 points, 1, 4, and 11, 9. So what is the x of 2? 11. B is equal to square root of y is 11 minus this is 1. 1. Squared plus what is the x of 2? 9 minus 4. Okay. Very good. 11 minus 1. 10 squared. Plus 9 minus 4. 5. 5. 10 squared. 100. Square of 100 plus 25. 100 plus 25. Square root of 125. So decimal points, square root of 125 is 11.18. Pero pwede anong gagawin? I-factor na. Mamala na mag-5 times 25. Or 25 times 5. 25 no? Or, kina-square root ka 25? Okay, 5. Square root of 5. Sige, ang answer na, imanda. You understand? Yes. And the last example. Either side or point. Number 23.
Find the distance between the 2 points, B, 2, and
And
8.
so what is the x of 2?
8.
8. Minus x of 1. E squared. Plus
2.
minus
2.
squared. And this plus is equal to the square root of 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 squared plus 6 minus 2
Zero.
squared. Is equals to 25. What is the square root of 25?
5.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
5 minutes. Did you get me? Okay, my answer ay ako sa scratch note paper. Yan, mag-volunteer and go to the board. Answer this in your scratch paper first. Or sa notebook nyo. Yes. Try to solve the night. Try to solve. It's double time. Okay, number 1. You can come here to the board. Number 1. Okay, number 1. Yes. Number 2. Yes. Number 2. Ikaw, number 2. Number 1, pagsunan na na. siya okay, nagaling. At how do your classmates so? Because we have this after this. Tawa yung kaya bukan ng magsabi yung classmate and like this later. Are you listening? You get me? Are you sure? We are done. Okay, let us check if the answer of your classmate is correct. Please eyes on the board. Okay, so distance is equal to x of 2 minus x of 1. So what is the x of 2 here, number 1? What is the x of 2? Negative 3 minus x of 1 is 5 minus 5 squared plus 4 minus negative 2 squared. So negative 3 minus 5 is equal to negative 8 squared plus 4 minus negative 2. Ano was 6? Why positive? Minimize your voice. So, na-positive 6 ka na kay 4 minus negative. I-multiply ang sign. So, negative times negative is equal to positive. So, negative 8 squared is equal to 64 plus 6 squared. 36. 64 plus 36 is equal to 100. So, the square root of 100 is 10. So, the distance is equal to 10 units. Very good. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3 na naman. So, number 2, let us check. X of 2 na to is 0, right? Ang X of 1 ka. Ano? 3. So, 0 minus 3 squared plus, ang y of 2 here is 0, 1. So, 0 minus, hindi ka ba? Minus 4. So, 0 minus 3, diba? Negative 3. Samantala, palit-set. Negative 3 squared plus negative 4 squared. What is negative 3 squared? What is negative 3 squared? It's 9. 9 plus negative 4 squared. 16. Very good. 9 plus 16 equals 25. Yes, the square root of 25 is 5. So the answer is 5 units. So the answer of your classmate is correct? Yes. Yes. Let's proceed to number 3. So what is the x of 2 of number 3 there? What is the x of 2 there? 4. 4. The substitute is 4 minus x of 5 is 6. Negative 6. So 4 minus negative 6 squared plus x of 2. Ang y of 2 there, what is 5? Minus y of 1 is 0. So 4 minus negative 6 is positive 10. So 10 squared plus 5 minus 0 is 5. So 5 squared. 10 squared is equal to 100 plus 5 squared is equal to 5. So the square root of 125 is 11.18 units. Okay, very good class. So are you ready for the quiz? Yes. Okay, please get 1 half 25. This is only 1, 2, 3. Please get 1 half 25. Distance. Find the distance. Oh, sorry. Okay, please get 1 half likewise. Everyone. Please answer this. Answer quietly. Or any paper. Yes. Easy lang, ma'am. Yes. Visible na yan sa likod. Yes. Sa likod. Yan. Please answer quietly lang. Minimize your voice. Written plus is. Kemudian give and coordinates. Solve the overload na solve ko ng kaya na. Solve classmate. Ten minutes. Answer. Keep your cell phone. If you're not using your cell phone, you na calculator. Pero kung gamitan yung cell phone sa calculator, okay.
Supervisor naman mo.
Are you done?
Diyan, mami. Diyan, mami. Double-sided.
Positive lang, ritual. Positive D. Negative kasi negative. Everyone knows how to solve? Are you sure? If you're finished, solve na lang ay katansanan. Check na lang. Check na ito ng papers. Are you done?
Nga, ma'am.
Tapos Ron. Ano ba yung niya Ron? Ay, kung wala kang calculator, kung wala kang spare, yung final answer, wala kang sulat. Kung wala kang gagamit na calculator, ang final answer mo was spare. Wala. Are you done? Okay, last 2 minutes. 1, 2, 3 na lang. Last 2 minutes, ha? Ma-check that. So, always remember, hindi lang x of 2, x of 1, ang y of 2, walang y of 1. Para mabuslakan ninyo
Ano topic? Ano topic? Solving corresponding parts of congruent triangles.
Kung ano nyo, hindi na sa isang pagkagawa
Yun.
sa
Pag-lighting.
Ano din mo? Grade na ako?
8. Proving na rin, hindi ko maano yung discuss ko lang ito. Ang proving.
So let us check. Number 1. Okay, last 1 minute. No. Last 1 minute. Para kami papalo, pag ako Inang please house. Okay, let us check now. Number 1. Or we can go. Let's come here, number 1. Yes. Okay, number 1. Number 2. Please come here. Hindi lang nag-answer kami pa na. Sino ba walang kami mag-answer? Yes, sir. Exchange your paper now. Exchange your paper with your seatmate. Exchange, Ron?
Yes.
Minimize your voice. Okay? So 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 squared plus 8 minus negative 7. So 3 minus 3, 0. So 0 squared is 0 plus 15 squared. That's 225. So the square root of 225 is 15. Okay. One check. Oh, check nyo lang ng gadget. Ang answer. Final answer. Your answer in number 2 is correct? Yes. Very good. Okay, so number 1. Ay, sa the board. So, ang x of 2 is 10. Ang x of 1 is negative, ay positive 2. 10 minus 2 squared. Plus, ang y of 2 is negative 3 minus 3 minus 3 minus negative 3. So, 10 minus 2 is
Ako tapan mo, kung bukada, nakamistra ka
Are you
na.
following with me?
Oo, bukada,
10 minus
nakalisumanan
2
ko rin.
is
Nanay ko. No?
squared plus
Hindi na, sa sipo sa ano mo gita. Ano rin ra?
Are you sure? Are you
Mas
sure?
kaya ba yun?
Why zero? Yes, negative 3 minus negative 3 times negative. Ang negative times negative is positive. So, negative 3 plus theta na. Is this correct? Mga negative 3 plus theta na? Correct. So, yung answer naman, negative 6. So, negative 3 plus 3. So, 0 ang answer din niya. Am I correct? Yes. So, what is 8 squared? 4 plus 0. 8. So, 64. So, the answer is the square of 64. What is the square of 64? Okay. Please check if the answer is correct. Sino naka-correct sa number 2? Like number 1 or rather? Sino? Okay, tingnan number 3. Okay. What is x of 1? Ano x of 1 bigla? 9. 9 minus ang x of 1 is
Kaya mo itong na lumos ko mga bata.
so 9 minus
Diyan sa namukuan mo. Diba, hindi pa picture ko na. Ito rawaman ko sunda. Kapito, kaysa
ang x of 2 tayo
pero ang napatay yung ano, ang kaysa ang napatay na kapid. Libre ah. Gamay, kapanis ka pa. Hindi ka sabay ng gamay kasi nakakaw na. Right, dada mo.
minus 8 lang ulit.
Student teacher, kadi ah.
Boy,
Magurangan da.
9 minus
4th year kasi high school Canadian eh.
12. 5, 12.
Jersey.
Ay, even times mag ang
Kali jam ko nag-graduate. Dili ang dakdak ko nag-graduate ang magurangan. Kaya sa chiyo na to. Extra, saan mo ako bumat?
6.
Nami, matulog dito yan. Pagkat ko.
So, 12 squared is
Mag-demo ka na. Una ka na. Kagamit na. Ang mga basket na. Anong daw probability ka nila sila. Basket ang naging panggamit. Yan pang sidlan ka lang. Kasi yung pang waves ka pa ng basket. Yung tao sa mga restaurant niya sa loob.
okay. Please pass your papers. Right. So, kita gamit ang distance.
Partition.
Society life. Person mo. Tapos, yung mga locate ng distance nyo sa basil, yung alam mo para yung distance na yun, walang distance.
Hindi ah.
So, thank you for today, Justin. Thank you. That's all I say. Thank you. Okay, nothing to